everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. This is a foundational literacy lesson. Today we're going to be talking about graphemes. Graphemes are the smallest units that make sound in English. Sometimes they're individual letters, sometimes they can be one or two or more letters. But today we're going to be working with the s, a, and t sounds, and we'll also be working on how to sound out a word. All right, so listen and then repeat. We also have how to write the letter. So if you're unfamiliar, if your language uses a different alphabet, or if you've not learned to read and write, you can use these guides as far as how to write both the uppercase or capital and or lowercase or small versions of the letter.
S, s, s. Sun,
And again, be sure that you're paying attention to the mouth position for the S sound, which is s, s, s. Okay, so these are some different places where you can use that S sound. It could be at the beginning of the word or the end of the word.
s, n. Sun, b, s. Bus,
Okay, so here they're showing you how to sound out the word. If you don't know a word, just try to remember the individual sounds and put them all together. Okay, so this time you're going to be listening for whether the S sound is at the beginning or the end of the word. So we'll listen and then we'll play a second time and I'll fill in the correct answers.
sun, bus, sit, sad, gas, see, miss, star,
Okay, so we'll listen.
sun,
So sun is here. That's not going to do, so we'll mark it here.
bus, sit, sad, gas, see, miss, star,
Actually, I did that incorrectly. They had already done the bus and sit, so I'll do that again so you won't be confused.
sun, bus, sit, sad, gas, see, miss, star,
All right, so now you're going to be listening to the pairs of words and which word has the S sound, word one or word two.
sip, zip, zit, sit, sink, zinc, sap, zap, buzz, bus, fuzz, fuss,
All right, we'll listen to these again and I'll mark the correct answers. We'll do them one at a time because it can be a little bit difficult to hear.
sip, zip,
So it's the first one, sift, but not zift. Sift.
zit, sit,
So that one is the second one. The first time they said zit, and this time they said sit.
sink, zinc,
So that one is number one, sink. Number two was zinc.
sap, zap,
That's number one, sap. Number two is zap.
buzz, bus,
Here it's number two. First one had the Z sound at the end. Buzz, bus.
fuzz, fuss,
And it's number two. The first one was fuzz, the Z sound. The second one is fuss, the S sound. All right, so which of these words begin with S? Take a few moments, try that on your own. Begin means it's at the start of the word. So we have snake. Snake begins with an S. Cat. Cat does not. Zebra does not. Snow does. Car does not. And spoon also begins with an S. All right, now we're going to learn the A sound. And again, if you're not familiar with writing the letters, here is the instructions on how to form both the capital and the lowercase letter. Again, as you say this, pay attention to the mouth position and repeat out loud.
ah, 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 apple,
Okay, now we're going to be looking at the two places where we can use the ah sound.
at, at, k, ah, t, cat,
Right, again, we're going to mark where if the A is at the beginning or the middle of the word. So listen, mark it down on your paper, and then I'll play it again and we'll check the answers.
at, sat, cat, apple, dad, map, ant, cap,
I'll play it again.
at, sat, cat, apple, dad, map, ant, cap.
All right, again, you're going to be listening whether it's word one or word two that has the A.
Bat, bet, cut, cat, mat, met, pack, peck, ran, run, hat, hot,
Right, I'll play it again and mark the correct answers.
bat, bet,
So bat, the first one.
cut, cat,
So cut and cat.
mat, met,
Mat, met.
pack, peck,
Pack,
ran, run,
ran.
hat, hot,
Hat. All right, so now take a look at these pictures and figure out which ones start with an A.
axe, elephant, ask, ice cream, umbrella, orange,
Okay, so only axe and ask start with the A. All right, now we're going to look at the T sound. So again, we're showing how to write the upper and lowercase t. You have the mouth position, so listen and repeat.
t, 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 tea,
And here are ways that we use T. It can either be at the beginning or at the end of a word.
t, u, two, s, a, t, sat,
All right, so now we'll again practice to figure out whether the T is at the start or the end of the words. So listen and mark these down on your paper.
two, sat, tell, cat, time, let, talk, tall,
Play it again and mark them this time.
two, sat, tell, cat, time, let, talk, tall,
Right, again, we're going to be listening for the T in either word 1 or word 2.
tea, key, hit, hid, cab, tab, tall, call, had, hat, take, cake,
Okay, we'll listen again. Fill in the correct answers.
tea, key, hit, hid, cab, tab, tall, call, had, hat, take, cake.
All right, now which words start with T? Try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
Dog, tree, tomato, table, chair, tiger,
All right, so now read these words and then listen and check.
s, a, t, sat, a, t, at.
All right, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.